The next part are the symbols in music. So accidentals, like flats, sharps, and natural signs are all examples of accidentals in music. Flat, sharp, or natural, that's in a measure, but it's not in the key signature, are accidentals. So there's our natural, it cancels out a sharp or a flat. A sharp looks like the hashtag, it raises a note 1/2 step, so it's going to sound a little bit higher. And then you have a flat, looks like a little lowercase b, lowers it 1/2 a step. So just remember the word accidentals are flats, sharps, or naturals that are next to a note in a measure, but they're not indicated in the key signature. Remember, you can pause this video at any time to copy this down. So you can write symbols as the next part. You can write your flat, sharp, natural. These are accidentals. Put that definition. This is an example of what you could write for your study guide. Then we have articulations. These are some more symbols in music that you'll find. Articulations, another A word, those are the initial attacks of a note. It's how you play a note. So here's examples of articulation marks in music. You've got staccatos, the little dot makes notes short and detached. Dit, dit, dit. Accents look like a sideways V. It makes notes stronger or louder. Da, da, right? We've got slur and tie here. Slurs and ties. So slur connects notes that are different together. Ta. Ties connect notes that are the same, combining two notes that are the same. These are all different articulation marks. Then we have dynamics as another type of marking. So remember, dynamics mean how loud or quiet the music is. Dynamics are shown by letters, which stand for Italian words for the level of volume of a piece of music. 2 P's, pianissimo, very soft. 1 P, piano, soft. MP, mezzo piano, fairly soft. Then we have mezzo forte, fairly loud. Forte, loud. Fortissimo, very loud. And then some other symbols. We've got diminuendo, or sometimes called a decrescendo, gradually getting softer. And then you have the opposite, the crescendo, gradually getting louder. So here are some examples of how you could have written in your study guide. You could have drawn your different articulation marks with the definition and then the dynamics, how loud or soft. It's okay if you make a mistake. Even Mrs. Campbell makes mistakes. Piano soft, forte loud, crescendo, decrescendo. And here's some other symbols that you might see in music. So these aren't fractions, these are time signatures. These are all examples of different time signatures. Then we have our repeat sign. Remember, repeat a section, repeat a song. And then this is our key signature. Sometimes there'll be sharps or flats or naturals in the key signature to show you which notes will be sharp or flat in a whole entire song. Then we have tempo. Remember, tempo is the speed, how fast or slow you're going. So some tempos that we see often in music are andante, like a slow walking pace, allegro, like a faster pace, right? Fast, lively, andante, slow walking tempo. And then this is how you could have written it, some examples, right? Different key signatures, tempo, how fast or slow, allegro, andante, right? These are some examples of how you could have written in your own study guide. And that's it. So make your study guide, use it to answer questions.